Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Cylinder, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Subtractive Helix, Hole, and Chamfer. This is the exercise for today. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. We finalize this 3D solid part in 6 steps. In step 1, we create the cylindrical part with a diameter of 74, 72, and 80 for millimeters with the cylinder tool. Activate the additive cylinder tool and then set the parameters in the dialog window. For the first cylinder, set the radius to 37 millimeters and the height to 20 millimeters. Activate again the additive cylinder tool and then create the upper part of the cylinder in similar way. Select the upper edge of the first cylinder to define the position of the new cylinder. Now set the parameters of the new cylinder. The position of the third cylinder or ring is 17 millimeters below the upper face. Move the cylinder 17 millimeters down in Z direction. In step 2, we create a hole and remove material from the created part with the hole tool. Select the top face and then activate the hole tool. In this dialog window, set the depth to 107 millimeters and the diameter to 58 millimeters. Click OK to confirm. In step 3, we create the upper and the lower holes with a diameter of 10 millimeters with the hole and with the Polar Pattern tools. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 10 millimeters on the vertical axis. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 40 millimeters. Next, we create the other holes with the help of the Polar Pattern tool. Select the last pocket and activate the Polar Transform tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base Z axis and set the occurrences to 3. Now, we create the lower holes in similar way. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Create the hole in the arrow direction. All 6 holes are ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In Step 4, we create the Position for Helix features with the FreeCAD, Subtractive Helix, and Polar Pattern tools. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Extract the reference edge to define the center point. Now select the sketch and then activate the Subtractive Helix tool. In the dialog window, first select the Z-axis and also the pitch height angle mode. Then set the pitch to 140, the height to 70 millimeters, and the angle to 0 degree. And activate the options left hand and reversed. As you see, the first helix feature is created. We create the other 2 features with the Polar Pattern tool. In Step 5, we sketch the Position 5 profile and then we remove material from the created solid part with the Pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the horizontal axis. Extract the reference edge to constrain the new sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 12 millimeters. The last step is to add a chamfer to the upper inner edge. Select the inner edge and activate the chamfer tool and then set the parameters according to the drawing. Set the chamfer size 2 millimeters and the angle to 45 degrees. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.